How you doing?
Doing fantastically. I'm at a castle.
You're at a castle.
Basically a lord now.
That's all it takes.
That's my land over there that I own. My serfs and peasants farm it.
Oh. We are here at Spiš Castle, and the whole top part is open, which it's never been before. And now we're up here in a storm, and it's lightning, there's thunder, and we got to see so many new things. And you can even go up in the tower, but they're not letting us right now. We're stuck. We're stuck at the top of the castle.
This is not as good a place as our other place.
We can run for it. The river is starting to drain down the pathway. Oh man. Slowly start evacuating from the castle. I'm going over by the handrail. I don't know what you're doing. It's so rainy. Woo-hoo-hoo. We thought we would have some cover here, but there's no roof. Oh, more people coming! So we made it down a little bit and into a little room that's freezing cold, but it's dry. Here's a little model of the whole property. We made it out alive. We're not done though.
We stormed the castle and it stormed us.
Castle stormed us. Now we get to see the backyard. Come and see the backyard. Yeah. We're getting rained out again. Oh my goodness, lightning. Thought it was over.
Here we are, currently dry, as you can tell from the water dripping from my hair. And despite my appearance, having a delightful time. Really are.
A little tiny cafe convenience store here on site. All original. Rain has stopped again. Try number 2. Get down to the backyard. Why is it raining again?
It's not raining, you are confused. This is just the natural sprinkles.
What a day.
What a day. Try number 2. Another failure. The rain is back. Ben's a wimp. I said we should keep going. This is attempt number 3. It is still raining, but it's really light.
Very light. Barely rain at all.
Let's see how far we can go this time. We have now made it further than we've made it so far. So, doing good.
This is where church members go who do not behave well. This is the torture chamber at Spiš
Castle.
Spiš Castle.
We got this nice massage table.
Dining table here.
Spiky chair.
Yeah, it's a massage chair.
We did it.
We did it.
Made it around.
Didn't even rain.
Nope.
Famous last words.
Cut to drenched at the car. We did it.
Dry as a bone.
Yep.
Yep.
We're
Desert-like
not
conditions.
It's still thundering like crazy out there,
Yeah.
but it's not raining. Off to dinner.
Well, it's not raining anymore.
It's a tornado.
Fine Slovak weather here. Makes me feel like we're back at home in Oklahoma, actually. Very similar. And excellent driving conditions. This is the kind of stuff that makes you want to build a castle.
They were gonna get hit by one of these branches flying off.
Yeah, this is really something.
On the other side of the road.
And Brandon was like, hey, let's wait around and go up in that tower. Let's see if they'll open the tower back up.